Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the spring look, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to do more colorful looks. I just love the summer, so I had already recorded this video once before and I had to redo it because I forgot to do the intro, and guess what happened? I forgot to do the intro on this one too. So, girl, we just gonna talk it out because ain't nobody got time for that. I hope that you enjoy this video and let me know what you guys think. So let's get started. So I already did one eye. I did not want to make this video super long. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and prime our eyes with this. This is gonna make the colors just pop more because it is a white kind of like eyeshadow. And honestly, with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, I feel like the eyeshadow stay on a little bit longer just because for me it's kind of sticky. So I love this stuff. So after priming my eye, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. And I am going to use Golden Orchard and Burnt Orange as my crease color. This is a more lighter, not lighter, but just like a more neutral color just because on your eyelid we are going to be using brighter blue colors. So yeah. And to start the fun, guys, we're going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm super excited about this palette because I just wanted to do bright eyeshadow looks already. I couldn't just wait for spring and summer, so I will be doing a lot more of these. But yeah, we're gonna start off with the blue on this one and applying it in the outer corner and eventually in the inner corner as well. Just leave the middle blank. You will be applying a brighter blue on there. So with the different brush, I'm grabbing this darker blue and applying it where you applied the first color. It just makes it look a little bit darker. Okay, so with the different brush, I am grabbing this bright turquoise color and applying this on the middle of my eyelid. Guys, this color is so gorgeous. I can't even. So I did my eyeliner with the NYX liquid liner. I thought it was recording, apparently it wasn't. I'm sorry. So for my eyelashes, I am using the new lashes. These are on the pricier side, but I promise you, if you take care of them, they will last you a long time and they are definitely worth it. So before I apply my foundation, I always spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's just amazing. It makes your skin feel refreshed and glowy and healthy. So I apply this before and sometimes even after. And to moisturize my face, I am using the NXN Zero Gravity Whip Day Cream. And you guys already know I am going in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation in the color 108. It's just my favorite foundation for an oily person. This works for me and I've seen that it's worked for a lot of my clients as well. So this is what I go with. For my concealer, I am using Tarte Shape Tape in the color light medium and blending it out with my sponge. To set my concealer, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finish Powder. Well, damn, I like almost ran out of breath. That was long. And for my powder, I don't like to set it, so I just apply it and brush it off. To bronze my face, I'm using the Hoola Benefits. I cannot stop using this. This is my go-to for literally every look. So I applied this product with a brush and then go in with a different brush to just blend it all out. So you do not have to take the step, but I love to do this because it makes my cheekbones look snatched. So I just let it set for a little bit and then just brush it off. For blush, I'm using the Bare Minerals in the color The One, and I don't like to apply blush literally on the middle of my cheek. I feel like that makes your face look rounder, so I apply this on the top of my bronzer. I don't really contour my nose, but I only do this on really special occasions. So to contour my nose, I am going back with the Hoola Benefits bronzer. And then adding some finish powder in the middle of your nose to give it that skinny look. Pa que no te mires chata, girl, cause you know. So I don't know why I haven't really been fucking with highlight anymore. I just feel like it's so overrated. You know, I want that matte look, but for this look it's necessary. So I'm going in with the Laura Geller in the color Golded. Oh no, it's Gilded, honey, sorry. So yeah. So I always do this step at the end. I feel like your eyes are already concealed and set. You don't have to do this step. I just like it because it makes your eyes look bigger. I am applying a yellow color at the bottom and tapping it, and then grabbing a different brush to blend it all out. Oh my god, I can't believe I just said yellow. Your girl is tired, okay? To finish the look, I am using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I usually do about 5 to 6 sprays, and always fan your face. My hair that day was honestly such a mess. It really needed some work. I can admit it. So I'm gonna be straightening my hair and showing you, because that's such a hard thing to learn. I don't know. I just hope you like seeing my face for this long, because girl. So that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my spring look, and I'm super excited. I will be doing more colorful looks, and I have way more ideas on my next video, so stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye.
Turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. Haters in my building. Hey, baby, yeah, gonna call you tomorrow. And today.